Hi guys, welcome to this channel. If it's your first time here, kindly don't forget to subscribe and like our videos. For those who are returning, on today's episode we are going to do the letter F for food. So kindly stay tuned. I hope you learn something by the end of this video. Having worked on a variety of bead art for over 5 years, I'm here now to share that knowledge with you. Hello everyone, and welcome aboard this fun and creative journey as I share with you skills I've gained in a field that I am genuinely passionate in. I'm Stike and I love art. So for the letter F, we are going to need the tools. We'll need a 0.30 millimeters fishing line. We are going to need a nail cutter to cut the fishing line. Also, we're going to need beads. We chose to use the red beads and white beads. So kindly stay tuned so that you can learn how to make the letter F. So after pouring your beads, you cut your fishing line to the size you require. For us, we've cut it to around 10 inches long, and then you pick 3 white beads on the right, and then you pick 1 white bead on the left, and then we come to a very sensitive area where you need to be very keen. You crisscross, or you pass the fishing line from the right through the bead on the left, like that. I hope you can see that clearly. So that is what we call crisscrossing. And then you pull both ends, make sure they're aligned like that, make sure that they are at the exact size, and then you pull and you should have something that looks like this. Making sure that your fishing line is balanced on both ends will make sure that your artwork comes out well. So we continue. You pick a white bead on the right, a white bead on the left, and another white bead on the right, and then you crisscross on the white bead from the right. Ladies and gentlemen, for those of us who have not yet subscribed, our analytics show us that 80% of our loyal viewers haven't yet subscribed. So kindly take this opportunity to go down to the subscribe button, hit it, put on that notification bell so that anytime we have something coming, you will be first to know and watch. We also do tutorials on a variety of beadwork. You can check our playlist and see there. On this tutorial, as you can see, we're proceeding well. Like we're on the third head, like that. You pick a white bead on the right, a white bead on the left, and then you pick the final white bead on the right, and you crisscross on the white bead from the right. If you're finding it hard to follow up with our speed or the progress, you can kindly go to our beginners tutorials on our playlist, where you should learn how to do this pattern slowly, and then you do it over and over again until you get it right. But it's not something that's hard, so I'm quite sure most of you are following until where we are. So currently we are making a corner. We've picked a white bead on the right, on the left, and a red bead on the left. Those are 2 beads, and then finally a red bead on the right, and then we crisscross on the red bead from the right. You should have something that looks like this. Remember guys, we're making the letter F for food. Then you pass the fishing line through the next white bead like that. The letters we're making are bold, so they look more appealing. This is the same format that you use when making a bracelet with a name. This is how we make the letters. So for those of you who give us your orders, you want your orders with your names, this is the process we take through to make those orders. As you can see, it's not a very hard or a very easy process, so you shouldn't give up when you're doing this. Remember, practice makes perfect. If you get it wrong, try again and again and again until you get it right. Most of the times you won't get it right in the first go, and we have seen in our comment section that people get stuck. You shouldn't get stuck and quit. When you get stuck, you can just undo to the part where you see it's right, then you start over again. Also, you can use the previous videos that we've done, watch them, so that you learn more and more until you get how this pattern flows. So if you try it out with this video and you find that you're not getting it right, don't lose hope. You can check our previous videos, watch them, learn slowly, and you'll be able to get it right. But this is not a hard pattern to get, so you shouldn't be afraid. Just follow the steps slowly. As you can see, the demonstrations, we've already finished the line for the F, so we're making another corner. We pick a white bead on the right, two white beads on the right, and a red bead on the left, and then we crisscross on the red bead from the left. You should have something that looks like this, and then you proceed. Remember, we're making the letter F. Thank you for all the comments, the suggestions that you've been giving us. We don't take them for granted. And also, this letter that we are doing is a suggestion by one of you subscribers. Thank you so much for this suggestion. On the comment section, kindly let us know what you'd love to see next, how these tutorials are helping you out, or if they are not helping you, let us know in the comment section. Also, let us know how we can improve, what you'd love us to improve on, and your wish is definitely our command. As you can see, the letter F is slowly but surely forming. You pick a white bead on the right, a red bead on the left, and then you crisscross on the red bead from the left. You should have something that looks like this. Remember, it's not a must for you to make with these colors. You can use any other colors that you prefer. The letter will still form. So for us, the colors we've chosen today are just there so that we can help demonstrate how to make the letter. You should have something that looks like this, and if you're keen enough, you can see that the letter F is forming. We pick a white bead on the left, a red bead on the left, and a white bead on the right. Then you crisscross on the white bead from the right, like that. Always make sure that you pull your fishing line so that it's tight and you can have a neat finish for your artwork, like that. Something that looks like this. Pick a white bead on the right, a white bead on the left, and then you crisscross on the white bead from the left, like that. Remember guys, we're making the letter F. F for follow. You can also follow us on our Instagram page at stike_arts and landscaping. There you'll see most of the artwork that we've been doing. You can also hit us up, let us know on the DM. You can make your orders there. We can have, you can also give us suggestions on what you'd love to see on our channel, and we'll definitely try our level best to make it work. So as you can see, the letter F is almost done. We crisscrossing on the white bead like that. Then you pass the fishing line through like that. And then you pick a white bead on the right, a white bead on the left. And then you crisscross on the white bead from the right. So ladies and gentlemen, that's how you make the letter F. That's how you bead the letter F. Please don't forget to share these videos with people you know who love art. Most students right now in lower school and primary school need to learn things like this, so you can share with them. If you're a parent, let your kids try out this. It's good for the creative process. So please don't forget to like and tell a friend to tell a friend to come and see what we do here. Thank you, and see you on the next video.